looking for a secure way to protect your online presence? We all know that the password can be a hassle. They are hard to remember and we often use the same passwords for multiple accounts, which is a significant security risk. This video will provide the way to become a passwordless by passkeys. You also learn how to retire passwords in your Google account by using Google Passkeys. Let's start with what is passkey. Passkey is a new way of logging to online accounts, services, and applications that is designed to be faster, easier to be used, and more secure than passwords. Passkeys are based on FIDO, Fast Identity Online, standardized authentication protocols which intended to eliminate passwords in future. FIDO protocols used a standard public key cryptography techniques to verify your identity rather than a username and password. Public key cryptography is a method of encrypting data with two different keys and making one of the keys as a public key and which is available for everyone to use. The other key is known as a private key. Data encrypted with the public key can be decrypted with the private key. The private key stores in your device securely. When you are using passkey, the FIDO protocol will handle the cryptography techniques automatically in background. From user perspective, your device or application will prompt you to unlock your accounts using your PIN or biometric options such as Face ID or Touch ID. Now you might ask, what are the benefits of retiring passwords with the passkey? First and foremost, it enhances your security. Without passwords, there is no risk of them to be stolen or compromised. Secondly, it simplifies your online experience. No more struggling to remember complex passwords or through the hassle of resetting. And lastly, it saves your time. With just a quick scan of QR code, you can access your accounts instantly without the need to typing or copy-pasting your passwords. As we learn, the passkeys are created on the specific device such as a smartphone and allow you to log into your online accounts without password. Let's test how passkey works in passkeys.io. So on a screen, first I sign up with my email and then create a passkey. It shows the QR code that I am scanning with my smartphone and it asks for my biometric to save the keys in my phone keychain. So we create a passkey simply, isn't it? Now I sign out and sign in with a passkey. Scan the QR code and it uses my Face ID and then we sign in with the passkey. Simple, isn't it? Are you ready to retire passwords with the Google Passkey? I'll show you a step-by-step on a screen how to create a passkey and use it for login to your Google account. First, log in to your Google account, then click on Manage your Google accounts. Then on Security tab, you scroll down and you find Passkeys. Click on Passkeys and then select Create a Passkey. Then scan QR code with your phone and it is created. The passkey is stored in my phone keychain securely, and it's nearly impossible for anyone to extract it without my consent. With following the instruction in video, you can simply experience a new secure and hassle-free authentication era. Whenever you want to log in to your accounts, you simply get your smartphone and scan QR code, and you are in without need to typing passwords. If you find this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay secure, stay protected.